How's it going today there, YouTube? Well, I haven't quite figured out my new camera mount for the Denali yet, but trying to get you guys set up on the tripod here and have a little drive along. You guys come for a ride in the Denali. But anyway, I had a little story I want to tell you guys. I had the chance to go down to Miska Trailers finally there in Hamilton, Ontario. I think I went 3 weeks ago now. I think it was 3 weeks ago I went. Anyway, I decided to take Saturday off work and go down for a little trip and just see what I'm getting myself into. It's a pretty good trip down. I decided to go down, of course, during the worst snowstorm we got so far this winter. Of course, we got no snow in Keswick, but I didn't find any snow until I got to Milton almost, so... Of course, you're only about 25 minutes from this place, from Highway 25 in Milton, so... No real point turning back and saying the hell with it now, so... Just kept on trucking and we made it alright. So I stayed out the 401 as much as I could. I took the same way. I go down to Country Heritage Park for various shows, you know, Milton Steam Air and any other little special shows they have going on. So took number 9 out through here Ontario Street through the town of Erin, and then down Highway 25 the whole way, and then I jumped on the 401 for the last 15 minutes or so of the trip. So got trucking along the 401 there, and you go right past the Country Heritage Park Fairgrounds, so wasn't too far out of the element there. So you get off there, I forget the name of the exit now, but you end up going north through the town of Puslinch, I believe on Highway 6, and I figured out finally where that Brian's Equipment auction is. I mean, I've seen that advertised in the farm paper for many years and never actually been, and finally figured out where that was. Of course, I didn't think to take the camera with me, but I didn't end up ordering a trailer on that day. I'm going to probably order closer to the springtime, so that way I'm not drinking around the wintertime and whatnot, getting full of salt. So I don't really need it until summertime anyways. So anyway, I left Keswick about 6 o'clock in the morning, and I was down there by about 8, but of course I backroaded it, took it easy because it, you know, miserable as frick snowstorm out. So got down there in one piece and had a little walk around, and then I started talking to one of the sales reps there. Doug was his name. Real good guy, knows his stuff, and was really helpful with what I was looking for. So I'll give him a phone call there probably in a couple months time when I'm ready to order the trailer up. So all in all, I was pretty impressed with their service. They did a good job, and I got looked after and got pretty much figured out exactly what I ordered, got a quote written up, and yeah, I was back on the road heading back for Keswick about 8:45. So I'll show you guys what I spec'd out on when I get back home here. So I made it back home here, and well, here's what I spec'd out from Miska Trailers. Doug Leonard was my sales representative. Real good guy, knew his stuff. I basically told him what I'm gonna be doing with the trailer. I was either looking at the deluxe car hauler or their, I think a Prowler trailer, or their light equipment trailer. So I weighed my options and we discussed a few things. He says, well, I can build you a deluxe car hauler with heavier axles. Bonus, because I wanted the hideaway ramps and whatnot. So they were able to spec me out a deluxe car hauler with the heavier axles, and the only options I got was the toolbox for maybe putting a future winch on the trailer, and the LED taillights. So that was a pretty good little trip, but I decided to go down and see, you know, what my financing options were and what the price of the trailer is going to be. I basically spec'd out, if I'm going to build the trailer that's going to do everything I need to do, so I'm going to buy it one time, I priced out exactly what I wanted, and it still worked out to be less money than what I figured it was going to be in the first place. So real good place to go. I mean, the service was A1, friendly people. They don't pay me to say, you know, go to Miska Trailers. I don't work for Miska Trailers. I am just, you know, an impressed to-be customer. I haven't even bought anything from them yet, and they even hooked me up with a free t-shirt. That's pretty friggin' sweet. So yeah, go check out Miska Trailers if you're in the market for a trailer. Definitely good guys to go see, and I think we'll have a trailer here real soon, boys. So anyway, if you guys like what you see, please comment, rate, subscribe.